afternoon mga kaguro, good afternoon. So, andito po tayo ngayon mga kaguro sa school namin. Meron po kami occasion. Meron po kami together we achieve recognizing our stakeholders na po. So, atin po yung stakeholders na kaguro president ng PTA. mga kasamahan kong mga guro, mga sir, si Mamalin, si Marera, si Rose, at yung mga parents ko, mga parents na po, tunti na pong dumarating. Ang po yung master teacher, si Manuan, si Mandela, naman po yung mga grade 1 and kinder teachers. Itong table na ito mga kaguro ay may kanya-kanyang table. Ito po yung table na ito ay para po sa non-teaching. Dito naman po ay para rin po sa non-teaching. Ito naman pong pangatlong table ay para sa grade 4 and 5 teachers. Doon naman po sa kasunod ay para sa grade 6 teachers. Ito naman po ang table namin sa grade 1 and 3 teachers.
Vlog ba yan?
Oo. Ma'am Ella. Pero pag may tugtog na, bawal ano yung ano. Ito naman po yung school education partners. Table po naman. Dito naman po ay para sa school educators, education partners dito. 2 tables po. And then dito naman po ay para sa gumurong PTA residents. Dito naman po ang table na to ay para din po sa gumurong PTA officers or residents. And hello po. And ito din po. So, 4 tables po para sa mga gumurong PTA officers. Kasi marami po sila officers. Sa bawat grade po kasi mayroong 4 sections. So, bawat section ay mayroong resident. Then hanggang grade 6. So, medyo marami po yung mga tables ng mga residents. Mayroong PTA residents. So, ayan po yung window namin. Ito po. Nag-catering po ang school namin para po sa occasion na ito. So, ayan po. Masaya na pong nag-uusap-usap ang aking mga co-teachers, grade 1 and kinder teachers po yan. Si Ma'am Cindy po yan, may dalang red bag. Ayan po yung decoration ng stage namin. So, maya po ay magsipagdatingan na po yung ibang mga co-teachers ko na pang umaga. And then, iba pa pong presidents ng bawat humanitarian officers. Ayan po. Balik po ako mga kaguro. Ayan na po sila. Nagsipagdatingan na po sila mga kaguro. Mga co-teachers ko po. At doon po ay meron naman ng dumating na parent. Ano po? Sister, yung aming guidance counselor po. Yung nag-assist naman po ng parent, babae. Yung lalaki po ay si Sir Wendell po yan. Si Ma'am Cindy. Ang ganda ng mga slides. Ay, Mrs.
School education
Dyan.
partner.
So, aking number 1 president. Si Mrs. Guzman.
Ano na lang po, dalawang
Si Ma'am Hazel.
Ma'am Jem na lang.
principal.
Ma'am Shea, nag-signature ka na doon? May pangalan parang umayos ang
Mga cotisors ko po yung lahat. Yung nakatayo ang aming
kaya ako pala
principal.
nawala.
May dumating pa rin po na president. Si Ma'am Glo. Ito naman po ang kinuha ng catering. Ano po sila. Naka-ready na po yung food. Ito po yung school ground namin. Agila. Yan, medyo marami na po yung mga umatong. Si Ma'am Annie, si Ma'am Ira, si Sir Wendell. Marami pa pong darating mga kaibigan. Si Ma'am Lennon, si Ma'am Marie. kaibigan.
Nasa inyo kay Ma'am Jem?
Ah?
Kay Ma'am Jem?
Ano po ito akin? Baka ito.
Ito ata sa akin. Ito ko.
Ako lang nandito.
Kala ko sa iyo eh.
Kasi yun yung may bagpa. Ano na yan, Ma'am? Kay Ma'am. Kaya
Thank you, Ma'am Cindy. Si Ma'am Cindy nagbigay na.
Si Ma'am Jem dapat. Si Jem.
Medyo marami na pong mga tao. Kasi pagdating na po. Ayan po yung mga PTA officers, mga presidents po sa bawat sections. Sa bawat section po. Sa circuits.
A pleasant evening to everyone. We thank you for joining us today as we celebrate the invaluable partnership that drive Maltok Elementary School forward. To commence our program, may we all stand as we honor our country with the singing of the nationalistic song, True and Ibig.
Led by the Ibig.
Let us, dear Heavenly Father, we thank you for gathering all of us today. We thank you for the gift of life and strength that you have provided us all to be part of this endeavor. We seek your forgiveness for our wrongdoings as we have forgiven those who have done us wrong. May you bestow your guidance and blessings so that we can enjoy and appreciate its significance in our lives. Bless everyone who is present here today. May each one of us be able to share our knowledge, understanding, and wisdom for your glory and honor. May the various activities related to this event be a success through your intervention. All these we ask through your name. Amen.
So again, a pleasant evening to everyone. We extend our warmest welcome to our distinguished guests, honored awardees, and active participants.
To formally open the ceremony and set the tune for our gathering, may we call on the esteemed Faculty President, Desiree Geronimo, for her welcome remarks. Round of applause.
Good evening, everyone. A pleasant night to all. It is great joy and gratitude that I warmly welcome my dear colleagues, teaching and non-teaching personnel, our valued stakeholders, our supportive school head, Mrs. Mary Hazel V. Arellano, the HRPTA presidents, SPTA officers headed by President Johnny Rose Bonilla, our barangay officials, and our partners who are with us tonight. This evening is more than a simple gathering. It is a celebration of unity, service, and shared responsibility. Through our stakeholders' nights and the program to recognize, award, and incentive excellence in service, We honor the people who work quietly behind the scenes, who give their time, effort, and dedication to ensure that our school remains a safe, nurturing, and effective place of learning. At Paltok Elementary School, we believe that excellence in service is not achieved alone. It is built through collaboration, understanding, and shared vision for the future of our children. This program is our way of recognizing those efforts and inspiring everyone to continue giving their best. As we move forward with tonight's program, may this gathering strengthen our partnerships, uplifts our spirits, and remind us that every contribution, no matter how small, creates a lasting impact. Once again, welcome to our Stakeholders Night. May you enjoy this meaningful and inspiring evening with us. Maraming salamat po at magandang gabi sa ating lahat.
Good evening, distinguished guests, valued partners, SPTA officers, homeroom PTA officers, non-teaching, teachers, colleagues, and friends. It is with great pride and gratitude that I welcome you to tonight's celebration. Together, we achieve recognizing our stakeholders' impact. This evening is dedicated to honoring the individuals and organizations whose unwavering support has made a profound difference in the lives of our learners and in the success of our school community. As the school partnership coordinators, allow me to share the purpose of this gathering. First, to express our outward appreciation to our stakeholders, parents, community leaders, private partners, and advocates, whose generously and commitment
Provide an overview of the school's direction and priorities. We now invite our principal, Ma'am Mary Hazel D. Arellano, to share the 8-point agenda of Paltok Elementary School. A round of applause, please.
Hello, good evening everyone, to our stakeholders, to our parents, to our PTA officers, previous and current PTA officers. Again, good evening, warm evening to everyone. As we move forward, Paltok Elementary School doesn't walk in the dark. We are guided by the Department of Education, clear vision for the future of the Filipino learners. Tonight, I want to emphasize how our partnership directly supports the Paltok key point agenda, ensuring that our school remains a center of excellence in Valenzuela City. First, we are making the curriculum relevant. Through your support, we are implementing the Matatag curriculum, focusing on foundational skills, literacy, numeracy, and values. We are teaching our children not just to read, but to comprehend. Not just to count, but to solve different problems. Second, we are taking steps to accelerate the delivery of basic education facilities. Here in Paltok, we see this through our improved classrooms and integration of technology. Every digital tool you donate help us bridge the digital divide. Third, we are taking care of our learners by promoting their well-being. This is where our village shines brightest. Our child protection policies and strict elementary school, I thank you wholeheartedly for being our partner in education. Once again, good evening everyone.
Magandang gabi po sa ating lahat. Ako po, bilang kagawad ng Veterial sa Ilocos po, nagpapasalamat sa imbitasyon po ninyo sa amin pong council. Bilang kagawad din po ng barangay, ako po ay palagi pong nandito na susuporta sa lahat po ng mga programa po natin, mga kayanan po. At syempre, ilalapit din po natin sa council kung ano man po yung mga pangangailangan po na pwede po natin ibigay.
Sa aking mga guro, non-teaching personnel, sa aking mga kapwa ko, SPPA, sa mga homeroom PTA, isang magandang gabi sa inyo. Maraming salamat dahil ako po ay naikita sa gabing ito para masaksihan ang para masaksihan natin ang pagpapakilala ng stakeholders in PAC. Bilang ating SPA President, ako po ay nagaganap para masaksihan ang pagtitipo na ito. Muli po, isang magandang gabi sa inyo lahat.
Christmas po. Trabahan lang yung basket.
So once again, thank you, Ma'am Grace, for the special number. Your voice is so angelic. We feel that the Christmas is coming. Thank you once again, Ma'am Grace.
And now again, we acknowledge the president of our Kagawad, Arman Cabrera. Good evening po. And now, the highlight of our program, the Partnership Appreciation and Awarding Ceremony. We shall recognize our school's education partners, School Parent Teachers Association officers, homeroom PTA presidents, teachers, and non-teaching personnel for their tireless dedication and support. Okay, so allow me to read the citation. Certificate of Recognition to Plexo Manufacturing Corporation for the unwavering support and proactive partnership extended to Paltok Elementary School, which significantly contributed to the successful implementation of the Adopt a School program and Brigada Escuela 2025. Such engagement reflects a profound commitment to the continuous improvement of the school environment for the benefit of all learners. Given this 17th day of November 2025, during the Division Stakeholders Convergence of Partnership Appreciation, held at Our Lady of Fatima University. Signed by our School Division Superintendent, Mr. Noel D. Bagado.
Award this certificate of recognition to Noliver C. Viray.
Another certificate of recognition to Miss Angel Aquino for the unwavering support and proactive partnership with Paltong Elementary School.
Certificate of recognition to Mr. Joel Pagsanghan for unwavering support and practice partnership with Paltong Elementary School.
Certificate of recognition to Mr. and Mrs. Oliver S. Ramos. Give them a round of applause.
Certificate of recognition to Cesar P. Mendoza, our former SUTA President, school year 2024-2025.
Certificate of recognition to Mr. Randy Relo, SPTA School Year 2024-2025 Vice President. Certificate of recognition to Mrs. Jenny V. Eliorda, Grade 5 Balthazar HRPTA President, and another for SPTA School Year 2024-2025 Treasurer. Let's give him her a round of applause.
Certificate of recognition to Mrs. Fatima Gunagua, former SPTA school year 2024-2025 auditor.
Certificate of recognition to Mr. Angelo De La Pierre, SPTA School Year 2024-2025 Board of Directors.
Certificate of recognition to Mrs. Liza Pailante, a grade 6 Aguinaldo, HRPTA President, and former Board of Directors school year 2024-2025.
Certificate of recognition to Mrs. Marjorie Russo, former SPTA School Year 2024-2025 Board of Directors.
Certificate of recognition to Mrs. Jamie Rose A. Bonilla, grade 4, Quezon, HRPTA President, and presently our SPTA President school year 2025-2026. A round of applause.
Certificate of recognition to Ms. Joyce Santiago, grade 4 Mabini, HRPTA President, and SPTA School Year 2024-2025-2026 Vice President.
Certificate of recognition to Miss Carla May F. Sanchez, a grade 6 result HRPTA President, and presently a treasurer for SPTA school year 2025-2026.
Another certificate of recognition to Mrs. Marife M. Bayoka, grade 3 Mahusay HRPTA PTA President, and SPTA School Year 2025-2026 Auditor.
Again, let's give them a warm round of applause, please. Certificate of Recognition to Ma'am Lovely S. Cayone, a grade 2 our team, HRPTA President, presently a Board of Director, SPTA, School Year 2025-2026.
Certificate of Recognition to Ms. Jaisel Untalan, Kinder Masipag HRPTA President, to Ms. Angel El Paso, Kinder Matulungin HRPTA President, to Ms. Madeline Rueda, Kinder Masayahin HRPTA President. Again, let's give her a round of applause.
Sir Richard Tuwante, Kinder Mapagbigay, HRPTA President. Jeneline D. Carangel, Grade 1 Oslurin, HRPTA President.
And Ma'am Florian Abenes, Grade 2 Maalalaki, HRPTA President.
Certificate of Recognition to Ma'am Lynn S. Parapella, Grade 2 Mapagmahal, PTA President. Certificate of Recognition, Ma'am Evelyn Ferrer, Grade 3 Maagap, HRPTA President.
Ganyan, Ate Eva, congratulations.
Schools Division Office of Valenzuela City, Paltok Elementary School, award the Certificate of Appreciation to Ma'am Roxanne F. Gargar for her exemplary service and unwavering commitment as Kinder Masipag and Matulungin Advisor, contributing to the successful school days, implementation of Dapat School Program, and Regala Escuela 2025. Her diligence and enthusiasm have been undoubtedly essential to the achievement of Paltok Elementary School's initiative. Given this 17th day of December 2025, during the Together We Achieve, recognizing our stakeholder impact at Paltok Elementary School, Vienteriales, Valenzuela City, signed by our principal, Ma'am Hazel B. Arellano.
For Ma'am Sheila May M. Imasa as Kinder Masayahin and Mapagbigay Advisor. Si Ma'am Denise D. Abasco, Kinder Magalang and Malikhaing Advisor. Ma'am Janine M. Balizer as Kinder Maaasahan and Maparaan Advisor.
Thank you, Ma'am. So as we move forward, for the grade 1, Ma'am City and Rivera, grade 1 Matagama, Ma'am Arian M. Magtoto, Grade 1 Malakas, Advisor. Ma'am Janice Ian D. Melio, Grade 1 Patapat. Ma'am Emily A. Navida, Grade 1 Masupuri.
Ay, sorry. Ano tayo mga ako mamay?
Ma'am Joanna
Sige, tayo
S.
mamaya.
Cosme, Grade 1 Casino.
Pag kayo na. Hindi. Hindi na sasama. Oo.
Advisor of Grade 2 Matata. Dino Grade 2 Nawain Advisor. Ma'am Eva A. Milano, Grade 2 Maalalahanin Advisor. And Ma'am Janina I. De Jesus, Grade 2 Mapagmahal Advisor.
Thank you, Grade 2 teachers, for your unwavering commitment. Ma'am Concepcion A. Viray, Grade 3 Maagap Advisor. Ma'am Josephine C. Paradiso, Grade 3 Masika. Ma'am Marian A. Piña Florida, Grade 3 Mahusay. Ma'am Stella L. Paz, Grade 3 Masigasi.
Again, thank you, Grade 3 teachers, for your unwavering commitment, and congratulations.
Grade 4 teacher, Oliver C. Viray, Abini Advisor. Ma'am Mona Lisa S. Angeles, Grade 4 Jacinto. Ma'am Lena P. Candelaria, Grade 4 Quezon. Ma'am Carolyn C. Vanessa, Grade 4 Kilo. Ma'am Nora O. Concepcion, the Grade 4 subject teacher. Once again, thank you, Grade 4 teacher, for your exemplary service and unwavering commitment.
For our Grade 5 teachers, Ma'am Genevieve M. Trapan, Grade 5 Abosiga Advisor. Ma'am Joanna B. Herrera, Grade 5 Silang Advisor. Ma'am Annalyn J. Rosario, Grade 5 Nakpil Advisor. And Ma'am Annabelle R. Godes, Grade 5 Baltazar Advisor. And for our Grade 5 subject teacher, Ma'am Louie M. Casanya. Again, thank you and congratulations for your unwavering commitment. For our Grade 6 teachers, Ma'am Annabelle O. Hermedia, Bonifacio Advisor. Ma'am Rosemary D. Santos, Grade 6 Delphinor Advisor. Ma'am Marilyn C. Ardisa, Grade 6 Rizal Advisor. Ma'am Marilyn D. Francisco, Grade 6 Aguinaldo Advisor. Ma'am Leslie D. Heronimo, Grade 6 Luna Advisor. And for the subject teacher, Grade 6, Sir Wendell Benedilla.
Cherry Ann C. Donesa, Secretary, SPTA, School Year 2025-2026. Ma'am Annabel O. Hermedia, Board of Directors.
Hindi naman ako magaganito.
Ako sa DPWH daw. Oh, ayan na naman si...
Another certificate of appreciation to Ma'am Roxanne F. Gargar in grateful recognition of your outstanding leadership, dedication, and unwavering commitment as interim chairman in guiding and supporting your grade level throughout the academic year 2025-2026. Your efforts have contributed significantly to the success and excellence of our school community. Signed by our principal, Ma'am Marie Hazel V. Arellano. Ma'am Cindy M. Rivera, Grade 1 Chairman. Ma'am Gloria T. San Pedro, Grade 2 Chairman. School year 2025-2026. Ma'am Concepcion A. Viray, Grade 3 Chairman. Mr. Oliver C. Veray, Grade 4 Chairman. Ma'am Jenny Lynn F. Rampan, Grade 5 Chairman. And Ma'am Annabel O. Hermedia, Grade 6 Chairman.
A certificate of recognition of Jezabel T. Balmaceda, a Grade 2 Matatag HRPTA President for unwavering support and proactive partnership with Mabok Elementary School. Thank you, ma'am.
Coordinator in ensuring the effective implementation of the mathematics curriculum. Your guidance and support have greatly contributed to the academic success and holistic development of our learners. Signed by our principal, Ma'am Marie Hazel V. Arellano.
Sir Oliver C. Viray, a Science Coordinator. Annabel O. Hermedia, ESP Coordinator.